You've got a little bit of everything wrapped up in one company. We're literally doing it all in-house and trying to grow it as we do it. The script's not written for any of this process other than what we've done.
People ask me that question, how long I've been farming, and sometimes it's hard to answer because I was with my dad as early as I can remember. Yeah, hello, I'm Bill Pearson. I'm a 7th generation farmer. I've been growing indigo for Stony Creek Colors. This will be our 5th crop.
Stony Creek Colors makes climate-positive, plant-based indigo. I'm Sarah Bellows, founder and CEO of Stony Creek Colors. The indigo used to dye denim blue jeans today is all synthetic indigo dye. Synthetic indigo is a petroleum-based color that is made from harmful chemicals like benzene, cyanide, and formaldehyde. The beauty and promise of plant-based color is that we don't need any of those harmful chemical intermediates. Our plants are the chemical factory, and farmers are at the heart of what we do as a business.
I see myself as the start of the indigo process, and the indigo really did improve our soil health. My name is Jacob Fuquay. I would be the 5th generation farmer here. We love doing it, and I hope we can continue to keep doing it.
Using renewable plant-based chemicals actually gives us the opportunity to put carbon back into the soil.
We try to rotate indigo with other crops. It doesn't pull much from the soil. And it seems like it puts back more than it takes because the corn is really good.
We are transforming the entire agricultural value chain, from seed to processing techniques that allow us to bring high purity indigo to a larger scale.
It's extremely unique to have a process that is completely safe, completely sustainable, and completely renewable. Our manufacturing process is safe enough to allow us that advantage to be able to be located here in the heart of the community.
So the unique thing about the factory at Stony Creek Colors is it's actually a retired tobacco warehouse, because we're trying to get farmers that grow tobacco to help grow our product. It just kind of ties the whole story together.
Through composting our leaf material after extraction, we are able to have a fully closed-loop production process.
We are the entire supply chain, so from seed to finished product.
For nearly 10 years, we've been investing in research and development to bring natural indigo dye to the forefront of sustainability in dyeing. Our indigo dye is the only natural indigo certified by the USDA to be 100% bio-based.
I see the future of plant-based color as exactly what we're doing. There is not a lot of research that has been done in indigo. The colors are already out there. We need to take our modern understanding of science and go back to the roots.
Stony Creek is bringing back a new way of growing plant-based indigo, and it represents a huge opportunity for us to fight global climate change. We envision a vibrant fashion industry that values clean and natural colors used as a source of restoration, bringing life to the places it's grown, dyed with, and worn.